Painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eye, country road.
On a hot or cold day and you're looking for something to eat, come by your supermarket and get some cock-flavored soup mix. You can add it to any soups. It tastes good. For all those of you that love a good grill and good barbecue, come to your local market and pick up some gospel all-purpose rub and have a good moment.
Likey